All right, here we are, day number 36. Casa de Malouff. Remodel, rebuild, everything. Today is 36, which is Tony Pollard and play for the Cowboys. And then let's see here, what else we got? Vince Albritton also. So we're going to try and do names of numbers of football jerseys per day of the Cowboys. See what we get. But anyways, today I got to take apart that piece of shit and send it back. I'm sending it back. I bought a new one from Home Depot that doesn't need Wi-Fi or all that other bull crap, blah, 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 blah. So that's going to be the project for now. And then I got the contractors here putting in the recessed lights. They're fixing up the lights. Yep. And move forward. That's it for now. So everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. Mijo. All right, we're going to start the video. All right, we're going to give it a try. I got everything hooked up. I think I got everything hooked up except for the sensors on the door. Let's see what we got here. I don't know how this thing works. I don't know. We'll see. All right, I got a red light.
Okay, nothing. Any suggestions? Maybe I got the wires crisscrossed on there. So let me try one more thing. Okay, this is what happens when you don't read instructions on how to put something together. Because I still have a red light. I don't know what it is. But now I have to read the instructions. We'll see in the next video if I get it working. All right, here we go. Day 36 come to a close. Now, I'm going to try and close this thing one last time today. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart, but it's off-centered. So it works, I guess. I got to tighten up the support beams. Here. Hold on a second. Lord, I hope this works. Oh, Lord, please. Nope. Okay, it's off-centered. It's not going to go down. Probably because the brackets here are loose. They're weak. They're going this way. So I'm going to tighten those up. And then I'm going to find some other brackets to help support these over here too. I think these might be a little bit too weak. See, it's coming off. Let's start this over again. Coming to a close on day 36. I got something to show you. Besides all the trash. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Night light. Hold on a second. We ain't done yet. We turn this one on. This one works. Second light, go low. So it's a dual switch. The fan's on. The fan should turn on in a second, I think. Let's see here. It's all done by remote. There we go. I could change the light to nighttime. Change the light to daytime. That's cool. Ambient. I can add the light. Brighter. Cool. That's on each one of the fans. And then here, see which one it is. Oh yeah, the hallway. So the first light is the lights itself. And then the second one is like a night light. So over here, I'll put these on a dimmer later. Oops, wrong one. I'll put these on a dimmer. But you can sit there and watch TV in the little light. So we got some lights. Oops, wrong one. Oh, I guess I'll be outside. Okay. We got some lights, some fans. Turn that off. And even in one bathroom. Or one bedroom. Light comes on. There we go. Moving on, making progress. Making it happen. So I'll manually shut the garage door. I'll deal with the garage door tomorrow. I did buy some rollers, some new wheels for garage door, which is a box right here, 12 new rollers. So maybe I'll have to go get the new brackets and replace all of those tomorrow. So right now I'll lower it down, but also got to find some more support beams to better support the rails. So more work to be done, but we'll get it all situated. But I got it installed, I got it working. And I got to get the sensors put in, but oh well, whatever. So day 36, Mio.
Okay,
Let me put it right now.
Okay.
I'm in here moving you up right now.
I'm gonna take off.
Right here.
Yeah, I see. I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna go home.
Yeah, okay. La host is right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need inside at all?
No. You close everything. Let me come in over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. The roofer's here. We have a small minor problem in the roof that he's working on right now. There's a leak, but what the problem is as the roof comes down and goes into the patio, for whatever reason, it isn't flowing down out. The water is going backwards up. And so it's causing a problem. So he's taking care of it. Anyways, thanks for watching what little bit we did today. We didn't do squat. More narrative than anything else. I installed the garage door opener, but I gotta finalize it tomorrow. Figure it out. So, little by little, things are coming along. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Day 37. Who's the NFL Cowboys number 37? Anybody? Bueller? All right. Peace out. All right. Just when I thought I was finished, shit fucking happens. Yeah. We got a problem. Houston, we got a problem. Yep. That's all I gotta say. I ain't saying nothing else. Yep. All right. Day 36 is officially closed. Now, as you see in this past video, I had a closing, but I had the garage door working, and then it went foobar, and the whole door just went K-wire, and the wheels broke, and all kinds of shit. Foobar. That's all it was. So I had to wait for this guy Oscar to come out. It's 8 o'clock now, almost 8:30. I was done at 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I had to wait 4.5 hours for this thing. So he fixed it. We changed all the wheels. We changed some brackets. The garage door is working. All I got to do is put the 2 sensors on both sides, and I'm done. Garage door is done. So we're done. Going home. That's it. Look at that. Damn door doesn't even open, close. So I put my jug down here. All right. Well, say goodbye to day 36. Thank you for watching. Things will get better. Things will get better.